Are you protected? What kind of protection do you use? Not that kind. Are you using this kind? Yes, that's it. That's the GPS. Hello, everybody. Hey, it's Steve again. I'm the guy, that's right, with $1,200 a month in extra income. Could you use that? That's what this series has all been about. Yes, we finance our own cars by creating our own finance auto company. That's it. And we finance our own cars. It's as simple as that. We left off with the paperwork, the checklist in the last video. I want to just show you quickly on this video what you are going to make. This is actually a contract. This is what we'll use when we go to finance our car. And basically, we just fill out the person's name, 18% interest, and basically you're looking at $309 a month for, this one happens to be 24 months. This is also available in the comment section. This is the vital piece of paperwork. This is going to show you what you're going to make throughout the duration of the term of this loan. You are now a loan company. You're financing your own cars, and this is the document in which we're going to use. So I did mention, are you protected? What kind of protection do you use? Well, we have to protect ourselves from one thing in this industry, and it's not a car accident. You have insurance for that. It is, yes, that dreaded boyfriend or girlfriend, whichever the case may be.
It's a tale as old as time. Demented tattoo artist meets pretty girl online. 24 hours later, she lets her new boyfriend tattoo his name across her face. Yup, that's what happened.
That's going to lead them from a nice place in here where you sold them the car to a place on Florida's beach coastline, maybe, or anywhere. You're going to find that your car has a possibility of traveling across the country. Yes, it's true. The reality is possible. Your car could end up across the country. Now, can you prevent that? Probably not. What can you do about it? Well, with a device that I'm going to show you, and that too is going to be in the link section. This is a GPS that we have actually researched ourselves. We use this one on a daily basis. Yeah, it's hidden in the car. They sign a disclosure. But the bottom line is, when your car with a new boyfriend, yeah, goes across state lines, no problem. You will know where it's going. You can also put up some fences. This worked really good here in New Mexico. We have a huge population which lives in a rural area, and we can track them when they go to, say, the local Walmart in town. You could literally put up a fence on your GPS. When they enter that proximity or that real estate that you have fenced off, that alarm goes off on your phone. Guess what? You know where your car is, should you have to go get it, that is. So there I am with my arms crossed. They came out. You should have seen the look on their face. But loved ones, let me tell you something. The repoing the car is not a bad thing. What happens? Yeah, they made 9 payments and then they stopped. They just stopped. I got the car back. What did I do? I recycled the car. I redid another loan for another 36 months. Are you following the footsteps of the money trail here? So there's a lot of ways this device will save you from not getting enough sleep at night. Bottom line is, you'll always know where your car is and what's going on with it, pretty much. You'll know if they're speeding. Yeah, it's got a device in there, a trigger. If it's going more than 90, or you could set the tone. It doesn't matter. This device that I have linked in the section for you, called our GPS, save your car and save your peace of mind. Okay, so that's the protection I'm talking about. So in recap, we have the contract. Yes, you will see that in full total. That will show you how much you're going to make. On the next video, I will show you how to legally prepare for repossession and recycling that vehicle for you to reinstate that vehicle to make money on the next time. This could go on forever.